Okay guys, this is a 2020 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Send you from Real Deal Auto. It's this new cool gray, 4-wheel drive, V6. Rebuilt title, damaged right here. Fender and suspension was damaged. All been fixed up. It's got running boards. Start it up here for you. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. 40,483 on the miles. Navigation, all your different apps. Your 4-wheel drive, automatic. Power windows, locks. No airbags deployed in the accident. Good number. Got good tires on it. Her seats look good. Passenger seat looks good. Dash, good. Super clean, 2020 Toyota Tacoma SR5.